To install Windows 11 on a laptop, you will need a Windows 11 installation media, either a USB drive or DVD, and a valid product key. Here are the steps to follow. Back up your data. Before installing Windows 11, it is important to back up all your important files, documents, and other data to an external hard drive or cloud storage service. Download the Windows 11 installation media. You can download the Windows 11 installation media from the Microsoft website. You will need to choose the appropriate version of Windows 11 for your laptop, 32-bit or 64-bit. Create a bootable USB drive or DVD. Once you have downloaded the Windows 11 installation media, you will need to create a bootable USB drive or DVD. You can use a tool like Rufus to create a bootable USB drive or use Windows USB DVD download tool to create a bootable DVD. Insert the installation media. Insert the bootable USB drive or DVD into your laptop. Restart your laptop. Restart your laptop and enter the BIOS setup by pressing the appropriate key, usually F2 or dell, during the boot process. Change boot order. In the BIOS setup, change the boot order so that your laptop boots from the USB drive or DVD. Save the changes and exit the BIOS setup. Start the installation. Once your laptop has booted from the installation media, follow the on-screen instructions to start the installation process. You will be prompted to enter your product key during the installation process. Select the partition. When prompted, select the partition where you want to install Windows 11. You can choose to either create a new partition or install Windows 11 on an existing partition. Complete the installation. Once you have selected the partition, follow the on-screen instructions to complete the installation process. This may take some time, depending on the speed of your laptop. Configure Windows 11. Once the installation is complete, you will need to configure Windows 11 by setting up user accounts, language settings, and other preferences. Congratulations! You have successfully installed Windows 11 on your laptop.